Hello and welcome to this short video where I will show you a simple system, a simple step-by-step guide on how to make use of a new system to be able to generate topic as simple and as easier as possible, and while also learning what the research is along the way. You will be understanding how the research actually is, why you need to do the research, and why it actually helps you as a nursing student. Okay, so this video is mainly for 400 level students who were recently uh, shared among the different supervisors, and some of them have started were asked to start submitting their topics, and I get the motivation to do this because some of you have reached out to me complaining to me about how to go about the topic selection. Okay, so that's why I created this simple system to help you not only to get the topics but also to help you understand basic things you need to know about the research, since you have not done the research as a course for now until I think second semester. That is when you are going to do the course for research. Okay, so firstly, uh, I would like to introduce you this project topic coach, which is an AI tool that help you to understand about research and also help you generate the topic, the topic based on your interest and based on what you actually want, not based on what you have copied somewhere else. Okay, so firstly, how can you start chatting with this AI tool? Okay, firstly, all you need to do is just to say hi. That's all you need to do, is just say hi. Okay, let me just say hi. All right, I say hi. I just send it. So as I did that, you see what is going to happen. All right, so it will guide me small about all this thing. So it will act as if it is my senior colleague trying to educate me about the research and helping me step by step on how to get my topics. That is how I design it. For it, it is easy. It is actually easy to use. Okay, so all these things you will just read them, and you are just check the last thing it is going to give you, right? So it will ask you question. So as it will be asking you question, then you will be what, providing answer until you get what you want at the end. So the question it asked me after it educated me a little bit about project and research above, now it asks me this question: out of all the areas you have posted or studied so far, you see that if you are posted in different words, you study different courses, what interests you most? That is what it asks me now. What interests you? Which one did you find most interesting or most frustrating? Just tell me why in just a sentence or two. Here, all you need to do is just to choose one area. Okay, for example, let's say pediatrics. Oh, no, pediatrics is kind of okay. Let's say psychiatric nursing, psy, psychiatric, psychiatric, psychiatric nursing. Okay, let's just send it. Alright, so psychiatric nursing, I choose psychiatric nursing. Okay, this is what it's going to say. That is fantastic choice. Psychiatric nursing mental health is a gold mine for research because it involves so much human behavior, stigma, specialized care, whatever. So now spotting the problem in the psychiatric ward. Alright, so now it is trying to identify where have I seen a problem related to psychiatric. Okay, so Right, so now it asks me one question again. What is one specific problem or challenge you notice in the psychiatric setting? For example, do you notice patient being brought back, family members struggling to cope, nurses feeling burned out or stressed, student probably having negative attitude towards mental illness? Okay, so you can choose something here, anyone that resonated with you. Okay, so now here I will look for something that is going to be easier for me. I will look for student because student will be much easier for me to research on. Okay, I'll say student having negative attitude toward mental illness. Let's just copy this. I will copy this, copy, and then paste it. Okay, paste it. I will remove this public. I will say student having negative attitude toward mental illness. For this matter, I will say what nursing student. So I'll just say nursing student having negative attitude toward mental illness. Okay. So let me see what is going to give me. Alright, so it has given me this. This is a brilliant and very relevant problem. If nursing student, the picture of healthcare will have negative attitude toward mental illness, it directly affects how patient will be treated in the picture. Okay, so definitely the problem now has been created well. Okay, before we build your topic, I want to teach you two quick things that will make you look like a pro when you talk to your supervisor. Okay, so now the AI now is trying to teach me something that I need but I didn't ask. So it is telling me about two variables that make up of what a topic. You have independent and what dependent variable. So what is independent? What is independent? Independent is the cause, while dependent is the effect of that cause. So that is it. So example, it gives example, does having knowledge independent lead to better attitude? Simple. So that is it. Now, how to build a topic? The who, what, where, right? So a supervisor ready topic usually follows a simple formula, and this is the formula: the variables plus the population plus the setting. The variables contain the independent and then dependent, plus the what? The population you are going to study, and then the setting in which environment, right? So now your three project of options based on your interest in nursing whatever. Now you see it provided me with the three options of the topic I needed to work on. So the first topic it gave me is that knowledge and attitude. Knowledge and attitude. Knowledge and attitude. Knowledge is the independent and attitude is the what? Dependent of undergraduate nursing student toward mental illness. In then you can put your school in Ahmadu Bello University Zaria. Simple. So now you see you have generated a topic one. So what is the objective of this particular topic? If the supervisor asks you to provide the objective. So the aim, which is the general objective, is to assess the level of knowledge and prevailing attitude of nursing students toward mental illness. So these are the three objectives: to determine level of knowledge, to describe the attitude, to identify if there is a relationship between student level of knowledge and their attitude. Alright, so this is the topic one. Then topic two, the experience story, whatever. The experience story, okay, influence of clinical psychiatric posting. You understand? On the attitude of nursing student towards psychiatric nurse. Simple. And you can add nursing student in Ahmadu Bello University. That is how it is. So all these things, these are the objectives, and then the third topic is this perception and stigmatization of mental illness among final year nursing students in Ahmadu Bello University area, or you say in yeah, you can say that was the United States, just in Ahmadu Bello University area. Simple. Then these are your objectives. So that's just it. Simple. So now you have generated your topics and you can copy and then send to your supervisor Supervisor will will go through them and then um, approve one, or if there is need to refine one or make it better, whatever, the supervisor will do that for you. But you are no longer being confused on how to generate topic, a proven topic that you can submit to your supervisor. Now you have the idea on how to make use of it. So that is why this system is very, very important. This particular tool will help you not only to make to produce a topic, but also teach you how to navigate the process, and not only that, teach you the basics of what you need to know about this. So this is it for this. This is just a video, a recap, like not recap but per se, just a kind of a summary on how this particular AI tool is being used. Okay, some of you have used it, have tested it, and it helps them a lot. And that is it. If you are interested about getting this AI tool, just reach out to me. It is Yahya MA that is making this video. I believe you know him, or if you don't know him, really ask any of your colleague or some Nusa Esco in your class about him, and reach out to him and get this particular AI tools and make your journey easier, simpler, and better. Okay, I wish you all the best. So this is the end of this video. Thank you. See you next.